the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck powered by a V6 4.3-liter engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This pickup truck is well equipped. This Chevrolet features side airbags, air conditioning, and cruise control. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power steering, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.